I just found a brand new AI tool that makes automating your content and marketing incredibly easy. You can use it to turn one idea into multi-format content, like turning long-form content into short-form content, blogs, or you could transcript it into different clips. You could use it to generate ad creatives, copy, and audience targeting, to handle multiple campaigns, formats, and platforms without burning out. And you could even use it to run research, creative, and production work in parallel so that things get done quicker. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what this tool is, how to get it set up, and what use cases I personally use it for. Now, that brand new tool that I'm talking about is going to be the brand new ImagineComputer by ImagineR, because this is absolutely incredible. When we click into this and load this up, this is going to be one AI workspace that can plan, research, build, and ship work for us. With the AI chat, we could use this to type in a plain language prompt and let it plan every step for us. With the AI agent, we can hand it a multi-step task and let it run start to finish. It could do deep research where we could get a fully cited report with charts in minutes. We could create AI docs, AI slides, and so much more. In addition to that, as we could see along the bottom here, we could generate AI images, AI videos, motion design. So we could literally take one product link and turn it into a hero ad, a cinematic trailer, or a social cut. We can create AI music. We can create AI explainer videos, AI websites. It has memory, so it remembers your brand, your projects, your past work, so nothing ever starts from zero. In addition to that, we could see right here under integrations that this connects with all these tools that you use like Gmail, Slack, Notion, and Drive, so it can work off of real data instead of just random prompts. In addition to that, we have permission toggles on every single app, so nothing is just granted by default. We could schedule things out, so if we wanted to actually go through, have it create specific ads or something like that, we could do this. And if we actually click on new schedule, we could see that they have tons of different templates right here, which is also pretty cool around analysis, automation, communication, and information. Everything opens up into an editable panel, which I'm about to show you in just 1 second, so we could fix anything that we want instead of regenerating the entire thing. And this right here replaces dozens of separate tools and 30 minutes of tab switching that you're currently doing right now. And if we come into knowledge right here again, this is where we could add in our knowledge base. If you have a design system, you have a bunch of different stuff that you like to follow when it comes to creating content or creating anything, and this is absolutely incredible that this can do this. In addition to that, if we come over here, we could see that we could actually mess with the knowledge base. We could see the integrations right here. If we click right here, we could turn on web research. We could turn on personalization. We could have this ask permission, and we could use all the different commands that this actually has, which is pretty cool. In addition to that, if we click on this model selector right here, we have Flash, which is fast and efficient for everyday tasks. We have Pro, gives us more power for deeper research, bigger workflows, and we have Ultra, which is going to be the maximum intelligence for our most complex work, high stakes, end-to-end work. In addition to that, one thing that I also did want to show off is if we click in the left-hand corner here, we could see that we actually can switch between creative, where we can actually go through and use Seedance, we could use Minimax, we could create images as an ad studio, a fashion studio, workflows, a film studio, or if we come over here and click on business, this is where we're going to be able to automate things like turning ideas into AI workflows. But again, you get access to all of this, but this video, I really want to focus on computer right here because it's incredible. For example, one thing I might ask this to do is I want to create an influencer campaign for contentbuddy.ai. We're going to come over here and just fix spelling. I'm going to say my budget is $10,000. Can you find us influencers on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube that we might be interested in sponsoring? Give us the reason for choosing them. I'm going to say Content Buddy is a suite of AI tools that helps creators grow on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. And then this is going to be able to go through and actually handle all of this and actually create the output for us, which is pretty awesome. The other thing that I love is we can actually come over here and just allow notifications. So if we're inside of another tab or another window, it will actually alert us when this thing here is going to be done. And now we could see exactly what the plan is here. It's going to do all this research. It's going to analyze the results, then going to create the report. This should be ready in a few minutes. If we wanted to edit the plan, we could simply just click on edit, but otherwise we click on start research. Now this runs off and actually begins this, and I'll show you what the finished result actually looks like. So now check this out. This literally did the work of what a partnership manager would do, but it did it in just a few minutes. So we have our campaign right here. This goes through our $10,000 shortlist and the rationale, goes through how we should actually split it up based on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Also tells us why we should do that. Goes through all these different creators that we should actually reach out to in order to get them to promote this. And this goes through this for each of them, what our budget should be on each of them. And it's absolutely incredible. So now what we should do, and what I really like here is it gives us some caveats, is go through and verify before outreach, pitch integrated demos, not pre-roll reads, ask for paid promotion disclosure, and do this right here. Goes through all the different sources that it actually used right here. And what I really love is this suggests the next step that we could take. So we could get it to do it while I'm off doing something else, and it'll notify me when it's done because I have notifications on, which is incredible. Now, before I show you my 3 favorite use cases for this thing, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with ImagineComputer today for free. Now, the first use case I wanted to show you here is how I actually use this in order to turn my long form content into even more. So as you guys know, I upload tons of long form content. If we actually come over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look up one of my YouTube channels, which is just under my name, Robert Benjamin. Like I just released this video right here. I'm going to click into this. I'm going to copy the link address. I'm going to come back over here and we're going to say, I want to turn this long form YouTube video into way more content. We're going to paste this in right here and we're going to say, I want you to pull the transcript for this and turn it into a blog post, an X post, a LinkedIn post, and a script for 3 to 4 short form videos that will link back to the long form video. Now, this is literally going to be able to handle all of this. And what's even cooler is if we wanted to, we could actually set this up as a schedule so that it would automatically look at my YouTube channel, pull my latest video, and do this either on a daily basis, a weekly basis, a monthly basis, whatever cadence we want this done at. And the old way of me doing this is me actually having multiple different tools, a bunch of different exports, and re-explaining my brand every time in the tabs that I have open. But now I can literally just drop in the video. It's going to pull the transcript. It's going to find the best moments. It's going to turn those into shorts that I should actually use. The same brief is going to write the blog posts and the social captions for every platform. This is going to have memory of my brand, the things that I like, my preferences, and this makes it incredibly easy for us to change anything that we want, to schedule this out, and to consistently get results over and over again with my stuff. Now check out everything this has done here. This has gone through, this has actually created our blog post right here directly from all the information from inside of the video, which is just absolutely incredible. In addition to that, it made us an X post right here that we could just copy and paste. We have our LinkedIn post right here, which I absolutely love. And we have our short form content. We have 1 video, 2 videos, 3 videos, and this is absolutely insane. And all of these are going to lead back to our long form content. If we wanted to change the tone, we would be able to do this. If we wanted to change this into a different format, we would be able to do this. And even more importantly, if we wanted to, we could actually connect this to LinkedIn. And I would also assume that we could connect this to X so that we could actually get this to schedule out the posts for us if we wanted to. Now, I could see that this does connect to LinkedIn. It doesn't connect to X. So we could get that set up so that this will actually go out on its own. But otherwise, I've already got the stuff copy and pasted. And this has literally cut my work down by like 99%. Now, the second use case I want to show you here is going to be completely different, and it's going to combine a bunch of different things together. So we're going to come over here and say, I'm working with a brand that just launched a new product. Here is the product, and I'm actually going to come over here and actually grab the link to this so that we could give it to it. I need to create the creative, the copy, and a landing page that we can use in order to help promote it. We're going to give it this task. This is then going to create the plan, and it's going to be able to handle all of this. This is going to be able, with AI images, to generate the hero ad creative and static variations to test. With motion design and AI videos, it's going to be able to turn those into actual videos. With AI music, it can actually go through and create the music that can play in the background of the ads and the different creative. And with the AI website builder, it will allow us to actually publish the landing page that the ads are going to point to. And all of this is going to be done from this same workspace right here. And this is going to be able to handle anything. This used to require multiple different tools, multiple different employees, quite frankly, multiple different jobs, but now this can do all of it on its own. And this is literally going to create our entire campaign, the creative, the launch strategy, everything for this product right here, literally just by giving it the link and telling it what we want done. And then guess what? The next time we need something like this done, we literally just give it the link to that new thing or that new product or that new creative, and it'll run off and do it. So we could see that this has gone through. It's got the full picture here. It's now going to generate the ad creatives while it drafts copy and actually builds out the website. And we have all of these different things working together. And again, we could run off and just get notified when this is done. So now that this is actually done, let's check out everything that this actually did. If we click on this, this is going to open up the website that this actually went through and created right here. And look at this. We have our t-shirt. We have our price drop right here. This did an absolutely incredible job of actually creating all this. It goes through the design, goes through everything about it. It took all the product information. This looks incredible. If we wanted to, we would be able to edit this. We could download this, but otherwise this is going to be live right here, which is pretty incredible. In addition to that, if we come down here, we could see all the creative. We have the copy, the hooks, the headlines, Instagram and TikTok caption, Meta and Facebook ad caption. We have our TikTok hook. We have our email subject lines. We have what the email body should be. This shows us what all of the different stuff and all the copy is on the landing page. This generated some new images right here that we could use as ads, which is pretty incredible. And guess what? If we wanted to change anything about this, we would just ask it to change it. But otherwise, this just went through, did the work of multiple employees, did the work of multiple different tools, and we could do all of this from inside of ImagineComputer. Now, the last use case I want to show you here is actually going to be an automated schedule that we're going to set up. So we're going to come over here and we are going to start from scratch. And what I'm going to get this to do is actually do competitor research. So I'm going to come over here. We're going to name this competitor research. We could give it a task right here if we wanted to. We could also tie this into our Slack, to our Gmail, to our Google Docs, or anything like that. I want this to run weekly. So we're going to come over here. We're going to put weekly on Wednesdays at 8 a.m. We're going to click on confirm. In terms of the task, what we're going to say is I want you to research what new AI breakthroughs / trends are happening for the following tools. We're going to give it Google Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude. We don't only just want this to research, so we wanted to research the new AI breakthroughs and the trends happening with these, and then we want a script, outline, and campaign plan for how to create our content. We want to ideally put out an X post every day, a LinkedIn post every day, a long form piece of content for each breakthrough, and a short for each breakthrough. That'll be posted on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. I'm going to fix my spelling mistake right here. We could have our actual output right here. So we could have it be text, artifact, or an audio. I'm going to actually have it be an artifact. We could choose a destination. So we could have this show up on our default computer, on Slack, Slack DM, or via Gmail. I'm just going to go with our default computer. And now we're going to click on create schedule. This now actually goes through and creates this right here. And what we could actually do is get this to run right now so that I could show you what the actual output is, and we can make sure that this looks good. But otherwise, we have this full history here, and this is incredibly powerful because this is now going to be able to handle something that either I was doing on my own or I had a team member doing. And guess what? This can do deep research. It can create AI docs. It can create AI slides, and this is all scheduled out and automated so that this happens without me lifting a finger. I just get to my computer and the research and work is already done, and now I know exactly what the updates are, what I should be filming, what I should be recording, and this makes my life so much easier. And now we could see from the schedule, if we actually click into this is done right here. It was a success, and we could click on go to chat and see what it looks like.
And then here we've got our document, which is absolutely incredible. So this goes through all of the research that it's found with macro trends, Google Gemini, OpenAI, ChatGPT, Claude, and Anthropic. Then this goes through an omni-channel distribution engine and what should be done for each of these platforms. In fact, I'm going to make this a little bit larger. We can see that we could change anything. We could ask anything. We could ask it to clarify anything, which I absolutely love. So this goes through all of this, and then it literally gives us all of the posts that we should be creating, everything that we should be doing. And guess what? This is going to happen for me every Wednesday, exactly when I want it done, so that I just log in and I'm able to do everything that I need to do without having to do all of this manual work. And this right here has completely changed content creation for me as a content creator and as an agency owner on behalf of my clients.
So what are you waiting for? If you're tired of burning out by handling multiple campaigns, formats, and platforms, you need to go to the pinned comment below and start automating your content and marketing with ImagineComputer today for free.